Look, if car repairs feel more confusing and expensive than they used to, you're not imagining it. You're likely one of the millions who've shelled out for fixes that weren't actually needed. Recent industry data shows drivers routinely face inflated bills from upsells and scare tactics, with average repair costs climbing over $800 per visit, and many folks getting hit with unnecessary services that add hundreds or thousands. In this breakdown, I'm exposing the 15 biggest auto repair scams every driver needs to know. Clear, no BS, drawn from real shop experiences and backed by investigations from groups like Consumer Reports and AAA. Watch all the way through because scam number 5 traps more people than any other, turning routine visits into regretful regrets. Scam number 15, the fear pressure play. This one's ancient but deadly effective, especially on folks who prioritize safety. You drop in for an oil change and suddenly the tech's voice drops. That belt, hose, or suspension piece is on the verge of catastrophic failure. Driving farther is risky. Zero measurements shown, just pure urgency. Here's the reality. Worn doesn't equal unsafe. Components degrade progressively. Many last tens of thousands more miles without drama. Consumer Reports and industry probes flag critical flags often aren't. Second opinions frequently confirm the part had plenty of life left. I've seen it firsthand. A 67-year-old handed a serpentine belt doom story only for another shop to measure it properly and verify 20,000 plus miles remaining. The first shop banked on fear, the second used facts. This works because safety framing kills questions. Most folks cave rather than gamble. Protection, demand to see the part, insist on actual measurements like thickness or play, and hit them with one killer question. Is this unsafe right now or just recommended for future? Vague answers mean walk away. Once fear locks you in, the next upsell masquerades as smart prevention. Scam number 14, the transmission flush trap. Sold as responsible upkeep. Old fluid's dirty, full of debris, flush it to save your transmission long term. Sounds logical until you realize it's pushed blindly, ignoring mileage, age, or factory specs. Truth, many modern transmissions, especially higher mileage Honda, Toyota, and Ford units, aren't built for high-pressure flushes. Manufacturer guidelines often skip routine flushes or warn against them. Drain and fill is safer when needed. Consumer Reports and industry probes flag transmission flushes as top unnecessary upsells. I've witnessed cars shifting smoothly go in for a preventive flush and emerge with slipping or hesitation, problems blamed on coincidence despite perfect prior behavior. Replacements run $3,000 to $7,000 plus, making this a wallet killer. It thrives because flush screams clean and proactive. Protection, stick religiously to your owner's manual schedule. If services due, push for drain and fill over flush. If shifting feels normal, think hard before greenlighting it. Once prevention hooks you, the next pitch sells fear on parts that aren't truly shot. Scam number 12, the phantom brake job. Easiest sell ever. Routine visit, brakes suddenly dangerously low, need immediate full replacement. Brakes trigger instant panic. Nobody wants to drive off feeling unsafe. Reality, modern pads last way longer than shops imply. Consumer Reports inspections catch pads flagged as critical with 50 to 70% life left. Warn means monitor, not emergency. I've had a Toyota Camry flagged urgent during an oil change. Pads measured 7 millimeters, well above the 3 millimeter replacement threshold. Second check confirmed zero safety risk. This exploits safety's emotional pull. Logic vanishes when dangerous hits. Protection, get pad thickness in millimeters, not vague opinions. Ask to inspect them yourself and clarify, unsafe today or future service. Honest answers separate pros from pushers. When brakes rush you, the next scam peddles invisible engine issues. Scam number 11, the engine detox illusion. Pitched as cutting edge, Carbon buildup steals power, economy, longevity. A fancy machine restores it. Impressive gear, scientific vibe, hefty price. Truth, in well-maintained modern engines, these services deliver zilch measurable gain. Independent tests show no consistent horsepower, MPG, or drivability boosts. Often, it's just chemical sprayed in, no real cleaning. In 2021, I saw a 2016 Honda Accord drop hundreds on carbon detox, pre- and post-drive identical, economy unchanged, no symptoms justified it. It preys on longevity fears. Hidden damage sounds scary. Protection: use quality fuel, stick to oil changes and factory maintenance. No clear evidence of buildup? Skip it. Once invisible threats convince you, next comes the only factory lie. Scam number 11, the factory-only parts myth. Told you must use OEM parts or face performance drops, safety risks, voided warranty, price jacked accordingly. Truth, federal law via the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act bans voiding warranties solely for aftermarket parts. Manufacturers must prove the part caused the failure. Many quality aftermarkets match or come from the same suppliers as OEM. In 2022, a 2014 Ford Escape owner got quoted double for factory-only brakes with warranty threats. Second shop used Tier 1 aftermarket, saved big, no issues. It works because factory feels secure. Protection: ask for proof non-OEM voids coverage. No evidence? It's bluff. Once limited options sink in, routine stuff balloons in cost. Scam number 10, the mystery scan charge. Check engine light on? Needs diagnosis. Scan done, $150 plus fee, vague explanation. Codes found, no clear fix. Truth, scanning takes minutes. The fee buys interpretation expertise. Too often you get confusion, not answers. Consumer agencies flag diagnostic abuse when no repair follows. Saw a driver hit $180 for codes without severity, cause, or plan, just pressure. It silences questions with tech jargon. Protection: demand printed codes, explanations per code, and what truly needs fixing. Real diagnostics deliver real clarity. Thanks for grinding through. Shows you're serious about not getting played. If it sharpened your edge, smash like and subscribe. You're joining drivers who demand transparency over tricks. Scam number 9, the bait and switch sell. Starts innocent, oil change, rotation, low price. Then mid-service call, surprise issues, can't finish original without extras. Truth, car on lift makes add-ons easier to push, common complaint during routine visits. I've seen oil changes balloon to 4-figure estimates, bundling flushes without urgency proof. We're already in there, guilt trips. Approve one item at a time. Ask what's safety critical now versus wait. Boundaries expose pushy shops.